Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson, and today we're going to learn a new letter. What letter shall we learn? Let's learn the letter W. 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 This is a capital W. This is a lowercase w. W. The letter W makes the sound W. 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 W for water. 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 Do you drink water? I love water. Water. Wind. 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 Window. 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 Weather. 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 Winner. 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 Excellent. Let's write it down. This is a letter W. 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 Let's try a tongue twister with the letter W. Let's start. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the which wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Let's try it slowly. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the which wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Excellent, good job. Let's play a game. I spy with my little eye a word starting with W. Are you ready? Go! Excellent, water. I spy with my little eye a word starting with W. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Winner! I spy with my little eye a word starting with W. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Wind! And the last one, I spy with my little eye a word starting with W. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Window! Congratulations! Let's try a word search. Can you find these words? Can you find the word winner? Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Good job! Can you find the word weather? Nice one! Can you find the word window? Here it is. Good job. Can you find the word water? Excellent. Can you find the word wind? Good job. Well done. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.